Sometimes children are not asking for solutions. They just want attention. But many conversations disappear behind a screen. When kids try to speak, they often feel ignored. After a while, they stop trying. Parents think children don't listen. Children think parents don't understand. Both sides become frustrated. Technology connects the world, but sometimes disconnects families living in the same house.
Many parents focus on results and mistakes. But children often need understanding before advice.
And children open up more when they feel safe, respected, and heard. Good communication is not about winning arguments. It's about rebuilding connection. When parents and children truly listen to each other, even small conversations can heal a family.